yazi ngiyaphinda ngiyasho futhi ngithi uMusa Mthele kuyipheqepheqe leqoqo. Le ngane yabantu manje incane nayo ebibhizi nalo baba omdala kangaka yena lo Makhwela. Sekuphuma izitori manje zokuthi hey mina I don't remember globaling this person. I'm just like I'm done, bro. Like honestly on national TV khona ezinye izitori nje guys you can't tell us. Can you please keep it to yourselves? Like they're so embarrassing. Like lesa story lesi se medical aid. That one is beyond me. And uMusa guys una like ngeke ngasho ngathi pheqepheqe leqo. Ngobe namanga nje uMusa guys. Andibonke labo mama ubaqambela amanga. And then he goes and says encenga medical aid guys. Ngazi uncenga medical aid uyindoda. Mina most men I know they paid for the medical aid. Even if you can check, some of us have worked for medical aid for 15 years. If you can check and check properly on the system or systems for that matter, all these medical aids, you'll see good mostly it's men that are paying for medical aid in the household. When ufuna ukukhokhela mangwabe ufuna ukukhokhela guys uzukale ay ngicela ukuthi ngibekwe kamangwabe ke abanye they like no not mine. Kuba la nto le. Guys it's a lot. It's a lot, this guy. And I thought this guy was wealthy. Not even rich. Rich Pele is another word. Wealthy. You have everything. Or shooting an ex when you are wealthy. You can do whatever you want. You can even go and take a holiday. Namhlanje, what decided? You know, actually, I'm going to Morocco now. Right now. Like, guys, uMusa, like I'm saying, some things, guys, we can't discuss in the open just as much as it's a TV reality show. I can't be discussing my medical aid and situations. No. On TV, no, guys. And I just wanted to say, good Sabono Samge. I feel as Katesi big family. What was Samge thinking when she came to this family? Like I said on the video before this one, Samge, I think what's oh my gosh, you know, those type of people. Guys, yes, now. So that you don't feel embarrassed. Look, all these things are embarrassing, actually. What's going on there now? People are exposing people. You want to lay and you might looking protect. I'm like, he's not a saint. It doesn't have to be a saint. Please stop. UMusa guys unolimi. That's what I'm picking up. I'm sure we'll born olimi by Berlin. Yeah, but ulimi. It's something else. Sometimes there isn't why even alabo mama there's some zondo going on, some hatred going on between them. UMusa, he's the cause. That's just my thing every time. I'm just like, you are the one. You can actually cause harmony around your wives and you go back in a peace. Yes, but you can still do it. This is why I imagine that Masibuga said, oh my yena ono Satan, villain, Satan. No, there's nothing like that. UMusa I'm jealous. Listen here, Uban man, Makumala actually she's not the one. I get correct. Guys, who even does that? Then why did you have a symbol? That's just my thing. And then you come out and say, oh Makumalo, Utim. There's nothing that she contributed here when she was telling the therapist. What you know, you can take a contribute. How I took it, you saw on my video before this one. I said it's because that's how I saw it, right? And I think that's how she says it to Makumal. And then UMusa turns it around. Which I know you did contribute the fact that you actually agreed on the Sembu situation that's going on here. You came into the Sembu and you, right in life, we just like, I'm accepting this. No, that's not the point, guys. UMusa didn't get it. These ectopic pregnancies that she's had, this lady, and miscarriages. What time in Anjaka and contributing? Because I shot a veluta, no, I think she is away. The therapist would say, listen, that is why I go to her. That's what I'm saying. I didn't contribute anything. I almost said like cheat and fan. Indoors okay, you can twist things around and then take them to other directions. I was just like, please stop. Like, you know. So I was still saying in a lobolo elga sisters lo uMakhwela ukuthi ke manje uMusa says turning things around now, shifting things around. It's just like no. Mina into yelobolo ngangigulela kokuqala mina ngizangize ngemlobolo uMakhwela. It's like manje ungathwala untsholo umacele kumlavelo umacele. It has come out so many times ukuthi uMacele is the one that's like no akaze uMakhwela, it's not a problem, you can marry her. In fact, I like it. Like, you learned, like, hi, because this man, oh my gosh, he is such a loyal. Lalela guys, le family ilidwa amanga and ngiyakutshela sonkhona and well and kuzoxatshana a very serious note. UMusa Mseleku must control this thing and fix it. The fact that uMusa ufika aqamba amanga atshele umfazi lento abuye atshele umfazi lento, and especially ngalento kaMakhwela, and then at the diaries again now siyambuza kuMacele ukuthi bro, like, why would you say things about me? Why would you say stuff about me? Ukuthi into zamaKhwela nomshado wakhe and all of that. Mina mhlambe nginaphathi hayi nambe I was just doing it to defend myself so that this thing nje idlule. Hayibo guys, when you lie, ubaba ongaka, onengane engaka, no namakhosikazi angaka, that's just so wrong in so many ways. Umacele ambuze eMadaris ukuthi why would you do that and throw me under a truck phela is like where mhlambe then like those big trucks. There's a bunch of petrol, I guess. You know? Why would you do that, bro? A tank of some sort wangena ngaphansi wangifaka ngaphansi kwayo. Athi uMusa ayinambe ngifuna ukuphuma nje kule nto ngoba uqala inini case ngangiyigulela. Hayibo uMusa uvela abe victim at the same time. You know those type of people. I know mina please unsethiselani. You know those things like that guy on Facebook. Uvela abe kanjalo uMusa. Like, please don't. Please stop. Like, ungeka. Like, kubona. Nami bengifuna ukuphuma kule nto quickly. Ayathi uMacele bra, like, you left me ngenye indlela laphana. Usohlangahlanganisa izinto. But-ke uMangwabi has said it before ukuthi uyaxabanisa lo baba. Usuka la ekhaya. Uyabona nalento kaMakhumalo yimali. Abantu bafila ukuthi laleli sisunemali. We must take care of all of us. And uMusa that gives them that. Nomakhwela ufila ukuthi listen, mina le mali le kahle hle anyway yalethwa indoda yami. That is why uMusa goes on like, I made you. You are where you are because of me. So anything you get, nami ngiphakathi inside, like, please guys, uMakhumalo uzenzela yena la mali akakweleti mina akakweleti umuntu.